Hi, I'm Lisa, and I'd like to explain to you in this short video how tags work in SpinOffice and what smart things you can do with it. Tags are keywords that you can give to all your contacts. By using tags, you can group and filter your contacts in a smart and easy way. For example, you can distinguish between products or services, categories, a certain status, or customer characteristics. And you can divide common tags into groups and give them different colors. I'll show you how easy it is to add tags to your contacts. To do this, go to the Contacts screen. Here, you can give any contact any tag you like. Add them on the right of your screen on the Contact widget. Create your tags here or choose an existing one. All tags are instantly displayed. Filter all contacts with the same tag by clicking on the tag, or using the hashtag in the search field at the top. This way, you can easily make any desired selection. To manage all tags, go to Menu Option Administration and then Tags. Here, you will find all the tags you have used. Add new tags yourself via the plus icon. Pro users have the option to group common tags. This way, you add even more structure to all tags. And that's it for now. Do you want to learn more? Please visit our support center for more videos. Thanks for watching.